Everyone, I'm Amy. Today I will introduce 22 lines. Now we can say there are 6 central control lines. The white is lock wire. The white and the black is unlock wire. The orange and orange black wire they are negative. The yellow and yellow black wire they are positive. 2 brown wires they are turn light wires. Red and black wire is oppositional wire. Pink wire is siren output wire. The white and trunk oppositional wire. The purple wire is trunk output wire. The blue wire is fule palm wire. The orange wire is handbrake wire. The yellow wire is trunk alarm. We can say there are 2 black wires. They are ground wire. The green wire is side door alarm. The orange and the black wire is foot brake. The green wire is the window running up. The yellow and the black wire is the bypass signal and is the output negative. The white and the black wire is the hand signal. If you want to learn more function about 22 main cables, please contact to our official website. Thank you very much.